day everyone, my name is Nicole Gio de la Peña. For today's video, I'm gonna show you some parts and function of this manual vehicle. The first part I'm gonna show you is the steering wheel. The function of the steering wheel is to let the car turn left or right. Next is windshield wiper. The function of the windshield wiper is to clean the windshield. Next is radiator. The function of the radiator is to keep the engine cool. Next is battery. Battery is the source of the electrical parts of the car. Next is tire. Tire is help the car grip to the road and move. So the next part, I'm gonna show you the light. The function of this light is to help you to see the road during night time. The next part is brake. The function of the brake is to stop the car.